This LinkedIn Carousel PDF was automatically created with an n8n workflow, and I made it a PDF because I was specifically trying to build something that would work for LinkedIn Carousel, so that's why it's PDF. It still has a few things that I need to iron out, but it's basically the first version. The first working version is up, but I might need to work out a few things like the size of the text, because or the number of words in the text, so that it can align more perfectly on the screen. So I decided to use Google Slides templates. Template I already constructed in Google Slides specifically for this purpose, because I wanted a little bit more control over the design. But there are two other ways to create carousels in n8n, and I think this is the most reliable one that I've tried, which makes a total of 3 ways you can create carousels. But if you want more control over the design, you can use Google Slides. Actually, I think there are 4 other ways or 5. You can also use Placid, which is a paid service, or you can also use Creatomate. You can also build templates there, but why you pay for something when you can get it for free? Anyways, this is why I'm using Google Slides. And there are 2 other free ways to do this. You can use a text to image generator, but then you have very little control over the size of the carousels and the accuracy of the text. That is why that is less reliable. And the ways to use purely code, you can tell Claude or ChatGPT to write that for you, but I found that that was also a little bit of a headache to get things the way I wanted them, so I decided to use templates, and that is how it runs. I eventually get back a full PDF URL from my Google Cloud bucket, and when I paste it into my browser, I get a full PDF, and I can download it and upload it, and then upload it to LinkedIn, which I'll be doing. And this was just something that I was testing, so I need again to make a few tweaks, especially in the size of the text, so that it can fit a bit more neatly.